Good morning, guys. How are you? So, guys, this is one compactor machine. It's dumping the garbage here. Today we are showing you how to we will change this power plug. Okay, this power plug is not working now, and we will install this new power plug. Which one is 5 pins? I will show you. Look at here. This is 5 pin plug, which is fixing here. So we are today we are showing you how to change this power plug, which is 380 power. So at first you will off the breaker here. This is a breaker 380 power. So at first we will off the breaker. Look at here, off the breaker here. After we will remove this old one plug, and we will fix this new plug, new power plug. Let's see how we will change. So guys, I will remove this tape, and I will show you this power plug, line 1, line 2, line 3, and this one neutral. Okay, now I will remove this old plug which is broken. So we will fix this new plug here. So I'm going to change this plug. So now this one, old one, I remove this, fix it. So first put it here 5 pin. Just lose the screw here. First round we will fix here. Line 1, it's ground here. Tight the screw. After that, ground one, first blue and ground. Yellow and 3. Finally, we will fix this one, and this last one, black one. This is a natural. So guys, finally we will fix this one. That compactor as well. Start from here. This one can start. Okay boss, now it is start now. It's working like this. This machine is 380 power. I remove this old one. Fix this new one.